in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Enfold responsive WordPress theme in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can purchase this and how you will install it in your website. To tell you this thing, if you are purchasing this from us, then you will get each and every single update of this theme. You see this my update tab. Here you will get all the updates, every update that will be there, you will get each and every update, so that you don't have to worry about any single update. So now I will click on this buy now. Now here in this billing details you have to fill your billing details. Now you can pay using cryptocurrency also. I'll go with this. Now you see this, after the purchase will be done successfully, you will get these two files. The first one you see this one is the main theme file, and the second one is the licensing document. This is what we needed. Done, downloaded. Now it's time to activate it. Appearance, themes, add new theme, upload. Install. Activate. Now you see this, the theme is successfully activated. You see this. From here you can do all the settings. You see this, it's working perfectly.